Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to set up the short guy poles. Tight on space or having trouble tensioning your guy lines? Then short guy poles are the solution. Let's get started. Insert the pin of the pole through the eyelet of the ground sheet. Place the pole into the ground at a 45-degree angle, angled away from the tent. Tighten the guy lines. This shortens the guy lines, creates steeper sidewalls, but also improves the sidewall's position for better protection against wind and leaks. That's how you install the short guy poles. Thanks for watching, and happy camping.